Hello guys, what's up? Chicken back with another video, and today I am going to be doing, or at least I'm going to be attempting to do the first part of a series which I'm going to call Autodesk Fusion 360 for absolute beginners. As the title would kind of imply, I'm just going to be making videos that outline kind of basic steps on how to do very beginner level builds, and then as we kind of work our way through, we'll hopefully make them more complicated and closer to intermediate and advanced level designs. For today, we're just going to be doing two main features, which are, well, we're going to be doing one main feature and two applications of that feature, which is going to be the extrude feature right here. As you can see, if you hold your mouse over it, it'll give you a brief explanation of how to use it. And we're just going to be going over we're just going to start right away with a quick sketch. All right. So today we are going to be making a pipe. Very simple, extremely bare bones. So the first thing we want to do is create the cross section of this pipe, so that when we extrude the cross section, we'll have the actual pipe. Now, the first thing to do is to decide where we want to sketch this. For our purposes, it doesn't really matter. So just for simplicity, we're just going to select the XY plane, right click, and choose Create Sketch. The toolbar is going to bring us to the Sketch toolbar, and it's going to bring the view normal to the surface of the sketch plane we just chose, which was the XY plane. So the first thing we're going to do is to make our pipe is we're going to select the circle tool. Then, in order to define the center point of the circle, we're going to select the origin. Because the origin is a special point, when we select the origin, the center point is automatically fully defined. So that when we finish, the only thing we need to do is fully define the diameter of the circle. For this example, we're going to choose 30. And then you can go ahead and finish sketch. The next thing we're going to do is select the Extrude tool. The Extrude menu will pop up on the right-hand side, and we can select the settings we want for this feature. Today we'll go with the default settings, and we'll extrude to a distance of 100 millimeters. We'll choose OK, and our pipe will be, or our rod will be extended to 100 millimeters in length. Now, to create a hole in the center for our pipe, we can select the XY plane as our sketch plane again. We can right click and choose Create Sketch. And once again, you can choose a diameter circle, define our center point at the origin, and dimension our sketch. It is important to ensure that your sketch is fully defined. If I hide the body of the pipe, you can see that the sketch design is outlined in black instead of blue. This shows that the sketch is fully defined, and its geometry will not change when I apply different features to the body after it's been applied. We can finish sketch, and we can select the Extrude tool again. Notice that the sketch we just drew is pre-selected for our profile when we choose the Extrude option. This time, under our Extrude menu, for extent, we will select all. When we do this, the operation is automatically set to cut because Fusion 360 recognizes that there is already an existing body here. We select OK, and our pipe is complete. Of course, a quicker way of accomplishing the same thing is to sketch both circles in the same sketch. Then when we select Extrude and we select our profile, the outside ring will automatically be selected. This is a much quicker way to perform the same operation. All right. That is all that needs to be done to sketch a pipe.